Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can charge TOZO T20 earbuds. So if you want to charge the earbuds, all you need to do is simply place them back into the case, close the case and let the case charge the earbuds. However, if you don't have enough battery left in the case itself, then of course you will need to charge the case, and the input is at the back of the case. Now of course you can, or even you should use the cable that is added into the box that is inside the box. And let me quickly take out the cable and simply put the cable, the USB-C cable, inside the case like so, and of course the other end can go to a laptop or PC or something similar, and this is how we can charge the case. If you have one, then you can also use the wireless charger, and all you need to do is simply place the case on the charger. So this is how it should be, and maybe I can also show you how it looks like. So the percentage of the battery should be blinking, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.